I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install TypeScript 7.0 on Linux operating such as Fedora, Red Hat, SU, and C. So opening their terminal first. So this here, and increasing the size. So first here, if I write this place, node minus v. So node version 24 that install npm minus v. So npm 11 version that install. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install their TypeScript 7. So let's write the command npm install then minus p TypeScript. Press enter. So this here, this will do some download as well as install. For this one, it should be connected. So with the help of this command, we can easily do the installation of TypeScript 7.0 on this Linux operating system. So this here, you can see two packages that's added. Thereafter, let's use the clear command. Now here, I'm going to check the version of this TypeScript. So we need to write there npx dsc minus minus version. So you can see 7.0.2, that's the display. And if I write there npm list TypeScript. So here you can see on this 7.0.2 that installed. So by following this approach, we can easily install the TypeScript 7.0 on this Linux. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.